Blue-eyed grass, plant profile. Blue-eyed grass, Sisyrinchium angustifolium, is a clump-forming perennial plant with tiny violet-blue flowers. These flowers close up late in the day and open again in the morning. It's actually not a grass, despite its name and grass-like looks, but is instead in the iris family. It's native to eastern North America and is hardy to USDA zones 4 to 9. It grows from 8 to 12 inches tall. It flowers in late spring and does best in full to part sun. It prefers moist or wet soils and will die if it's allowed to get too dry. Avoid applying mulch around it, as that can cause crown rot. Blue-eye grass is often used as a ground cover, edging plant, or in cottage gardens. Pollinators are attracted to the flowers, nectar, and pollen. It's considered to be rabbit and deer resistant. You can propagate it by digging and dividing it in the springtime. It can also self-sow if you let it. Deadhead the flowers as they finish blooming if you do not want it to produce seeds. Blue-eyed grass, you can grow that.